So about that. Welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Roblox Point. And yeah, not before. The thing is, there's a 150 Robux for a teleport pass. Which that's okay with me because we need to get every ride done. Might have to cut this into part 2. So let's see what I'm gonna buy. No, buy adult, 60, 40 for children, and 30. Season pass. I will go for the season bucks. Thanks. And yeah. So this is it at the beginning. Got a fountain. Customer service. First ride we're gonna go in order. But sorry for the last video, the murder mystery. When I'm trying to upload, it just froze while trying to record. Which that stinks, because it was actually a good video. The first ride, Shockwave might be fun. I don't know which every single, but yeah, my recorder thing that shows my face being a little laggy, which sucks. We'll do those 3 rides after 2. Which is very cool. I don't want to ride it because it will take forever, but come on, come down. Yeah, I will not ride this one because I actually do want to ride the roller coasters. Oh, that's coming down. Never mind. Oh, here's my ticket. No, I'm sure. Know what I'm talking about? Let's ride this. Ooh. Get me on that seat, boy. Oh, no. Okay. I'm gonna ride this ride. Come on. Wait. Wait in here. Probably take forever. We're not gonna ride this. And as soon as I leave, it starts going up. Okay, so, I'm gonna go this way. Oh, yeah, it's turning south. You can actually hear the roller coasters, which is pretty fun. Oh, there you go. Sorry about that, guys. Sure. And yeah, we're going to ride the Flume. Yeah, I'm mostly get the roller coasters done. Sorry I'm not doing every ride. Sorry, gotta move my camera down a little bit. But, there's another one, Roblox Wonderland. It's pretty cool. They will come below. I might do another obby because that first obby I did was the best. So yeah, sorry, I keep saying stuff wrong. Sorry. We will ride Speed first, which is a speedy ride. I said that for no entire reason. Guess this is the exit. Where am I going? Oh. I guess this is an exit. It's right, it is McQueen. I used to like that show when I was a little kid. Now I'm just like, oh. You could watch it once and for all, but once and for all, I don't know what that means. We're going to do, what's this? No. Is our ride going to go? See, I'm not even in my seat correctly. Come on, let me get front row. I'm not even in my seat correctly. Start to hit go. As soon as we go, the ride starts. Look at my seat. The ride not going. Ride broke. No, we just had to regen it. Oh. Woo! Whoa! It's like a hypersonic roller coaster. Like where it starts off super fast. Because Sonic, he likes to go fast. Leave a comment below if you would like any more theme parks. I see the Shockwave. Okay, this was a short ride. Oh, never mind. Still going. It's a long ride, but it is speedy. Whoa there. Whoa. Okay, so whee. So I will do an obby after this. Might. Depends on. I have school tomorrow. I'm not going to go. But I have to. That's right. Imagine if you actually did that during a roller coaster. You would be like, that's right. That'd be so funny if you did that. But your seats are locked, so you can't do it. Would be funny if you could, but it wouldn't really be funny. No. Because if you do it, then you can just hurt yourself. Oh man, I need to think of that. I don't even know why I said that. Where is this coaster? Oh. Oh, this is cool. Even though I did this map, I never done like this. Map merch. Whoa. Rides like this actually scare me because imagine if your shoe would fall off. Oh, I went to this theme park once. A guy's wearing flip-flops. It's a floorless coaster, so it goes off the ground like there's no ground once you go because it's outside too. This guy was wearing flip-flops and never took them off, which I thought was stupid. Because, dude, you're just going to lose your flip-flops. This was a very short ride. Hop off. Okay, we're going to go this way now. Roller coaster's in. Because I can only record for 15 minutes and 1 second. It's going to take forever to upload. But now, the one thing I use, Screencast-O-Matic, you can see it in this corner, every video. It will take a while to upload, because remember the obby? That took a while to upload. Like, not long, but I really don't know. Do I need to regen this thing? Word's wrong. Sorry, guys. Whew. Okay. Get me in my seat. Okay, now you want to work. Okay, you guys click go. Okay, change. Up. Up. Oh, my. Oh, man, this is stupid. Oh, fuck row seats. I want front row. Front row. No! Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. You remember that, guys? I think I was going to try not to laugh. My eye itches a little bit. Something in my eye. Yeah, do you remember that Vine? Well, not a Vine, but it was on a Try Not to Laugh where he has a glass of milk, he has a cookie, and he drops it in there. It's like, come back. Come back. Okay, I never rode this roller coaster before, so I don't know what it'll be like. Oh, there's one over here too. Oh no. You telling me this is what it actually is? If this was a roller coaster in real life, I would not ride this ride. Oh my god, this is scary. I would not ride this. Leave a comment below if you would ride this if you were facing down on a drop. Oh. But how would you get in? If you start off like that in the sea, how would you get in? Okay, let's go in first person mode. Sorry guys, just seeing. Whoa, this is cool. Nope, don't stop. Oh, the amusement park I keep talking about, I actually got stuck on a ride, but it didn't stop. It was, like that little bar in, and we were going off the drop, and it just stopped. I was so scared. Well, not scared, I was like, it's easy to get out, cause mine, I push down all the way, it doesn't really, it covers my legs, but it's where I can still get out, not like during the ride, but, Like, if we get stuck, I just hop out. I mean, the seatbelt's around me, I'll take that off and just hop out, but I'm not saying I will. But then a guy came and checking us in. Next thing you know, we start going up the drop. But I did not like that when we got stuck, though. Excuse me. Okay. Which way am I gonna go? This way. Hop off. Oh, no! Oh. Well. We're gonna try Shockwave. Oh, Shockwave's right there. Shockwave Island 2015 was green. Huh. That's very weird. Very weird thing. Okay, looks like we're back at the beginning. Oh, we're right. Shockwave. I might want to try to get Shockwave in. I'll try to. Probably can't though. Itching right here. Itches. Why does my eye keep itching in my mouth? It's weird. So we're just gonna hop up here. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay. So, oh, hockey. I do want to get this in the next video. I do this. I will come to Shockwave. It's cool. Huh. Oh, someone else has to play against me. I was about to say, how do I play it without nobody? Oh, I was playing with Cade. Yeah, go subscribe. I'll leave his channel in the description. Aiden's, his friend, my cousins, and my cousin's cousin. My cousin, his cousin Aiden. I'll leave his in the description too. Just gonna go straight ahead and go. Go. Thank you. Come on. Gonna get in? Got in. Try and get in. Oh, no. Oh, no. We got stuck. He's... hold on. I hope y'all guys enjoy this video. I will do uploads. And yeah, so, peace.